Welcome to Sarva Education. Our certifications under government. Sarva Education is Government of India certified and licensed. And ISO 9001 and 2015 approved. MCA, Government of India registered organization. Member of QCI Government of India. SM certified Government of India. Registered UAN number under MSME Government of India. Ministry of Youth Sports Pledge. National Human Rights Commission Pledge. Central Vigilance Commission Pledge. Ministry of Skill Development Pledge. Registered under Government India NGO. All over India territorial jurisdiction. Requirements for starting Sarva Education New Computer Institute in India. Minimum 3 computers required in computer lab. At least 1 room or hall area required. From 100 square feet to 200 square feet. 12 chairs. 1 printer. Internet connectivity. 3 computer table. And 1 time. Very low. Center registration fee required. For starting new computer training institute with Sarva India. A number brand since 2008. Till date. Center owner or director eligibility for applying new computer institute. Center director must be above 18 years old age. He or she minimum must be 10th pass with center management skills. What are documents required with center signed up application form? Note following. Center director 2 color passport size photos. Aadhaar card and last qualifications copies required. Once all documents get ready, then you can send the same by email. What are the benefits for Sarva Education new center owner or director? Check out all details. Course fee will be decided by you. Head office has no sharing in course fees. Regular online courses available. Right to create new course and edit existing courses. Free center startup kit. Online admission inquiries through Google SEO or advertisement. Right to edit, set offline and online papers. Right to conduct exams in your center. Right to add and upload result at website. Right to add, edit, delete. Student profile ISO quality management system. View center and student profile online. Use our brand with your institute name. Free e-books for all courses. Job assistance for deserving students. Participation chance in government schemes. Proper guidance for center office management work. What are the key benefits for students? Check out details. Free prospectus. Free student identity card. Free admission form. Free e-books for all subjects. Online roll number verification. Online student photo verification. Online result. Certificate verification. Online exam login panel for student. Option for online exams. At Sarva Education official website. Option for offline exam at your center. Job assistance for deserving students. Verify certificate with hologram and QR code. After exam, student will get certificate. Within 10 to 20 days at center. Certificate are applicable nationally internationally. Course offered by Sarva Education. Software courses. PGDCS, DCIT, ADCA, DCA, ADFA, DFA, DTP, DWD, CBC, CFA, CCA, typing, basic computer, computer for kids etc. Hardware courses. ADCHS, ADCH, ADCN, DCH, DCN, mobile repairing, computer networking, CPU repairing etc. Skill advancement courses. Dress designing, beautician, stenography, shorthand, spoken English, Mehendi, music, dancing, etc. What is the timing for activation of your center? After receiving your center application form, Sarva Education Head Office will activate your center code within 6 to 24 hours. Head Office will send congratulation email along with details of your active center code, user login ID, password soft copy of center authorization certificate. Thereafter, Head Office will send welcome center kit by speed post, which includes hard copies of posters, student ID card, prospectus, admission forms and center authorization certificate. At your center address or permanent address, contact Sarva Education and apply for new computer institute. Note: due to lots of calling, we are unable to attend all calls at the same time. So, you are requested to visit sarvaindia.com and fill up new center inquiry form. or Contact Us form, so that our staff may able to contact you by email or calls. Your inquiries or message will be replied within 6 to 12 hours in office working hours. More details. Visit sarvaindia.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.